So today we're at Stantec in South Brisbane. They're an engineering firm in which Videopro has done a fit out of their essentially meeting rooms and larger spaces. Primarily the technology in these two floors is based on a BYOD system where I can bring in my laptop with any platform on it, whether it be Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Office 365, and connect to that system to conduct video conferencing. So it doesn't discriminate across platforms, and that sort of makes it ease of use for any party, outside or internal. The project consisted of essentially 15 varying rooms, from meeting rooms to collaborative spaces, primarily video conferencing rooms. The idea was that Stantec was to move multiple offices into the one office in South Brisbane, and that was the drive behind the requirement for so many meeting rooms. The duration of this project was over an extended period of time as the project actually grew as we were working through the process. So originally Videopro was engaged to only do the installation component, and then as the project evolved we then supplied the hardware for the project, and then as Stantec acquired more real estate in the building we then delivered more rooms in different levels. Stantec has a wide range of different technologies, from ceiling-mounted beam-steering microphones for rooms that can cater up to 60 people. In the smaller meeting spaces, there's the Polycom video bars, and then what is in the medium-style rooms is the Logitech Rally bar. And with that particular technology, the microphones beam steer to the talking party in the room, and the camera analytics steers at the person talking in that room for the far-end party. I loved working with Stantec. The fit out is amazing. I really hope that they're happy with the solution that Videopro provided.